Step one is to pop the hood and find the dipstick. I have dipstick in quotes here because new Audis do not come with them anymore, but the tube is there and there's usually a black cap on top of them. So pop your hood, pull the button up, and find your dipstick. Next, remove the engine cover and locate what you're going to need. The engine cover is held on by 4 rubber pop tabs, so it basically just comes straight up. And then right here, you see engine oil filler cap, oil filter, and the dipstick tube. The next step is to extract the old engine oil. Start by opening the engine oil filler cap so that there's no vacuum as you're doing the extraction. Then remove your dipstick, or if you don't yet have a dipstick, your dipstick cap, which will look something like that. Set up your extractor and use the widest possible tube that you can get into the dipstick tube until you hit the bottom of the oil pan. Once you've begun the extraction, after about 5 minutes, go ahead and loosen the oil filter so that it also can drain, like such. And please disregard that I filmed this out of order. Oil is still extracted as you loosen the filter. That way it can continue to drain. After about 15 minutes, I've extracted just over 5 quarts. You can fully remove the engine oil filter at this point. If you are learning something and avoiding this dealership, please consider subscribing, or super thanksing, which is basically buying me a beer. Step 5 is to add the new oil and the new oil filter. Ultimately, you want to put back in the amount of oil that you've removed from the system. Start by installing the new oil filter. It's a W719-45 on my 2016 Audi Q5 2.0. It just simply screws, old one comes off, right one screws on. It is 16 foot-pounds. Next, add the engine oil. I have Mobil 1 0W40 European Edition. You want to add roughly what you took out of the system and then check your dipstick like so. You can also check on the MMI system. Once you're satisfied with the oil level, reinstall the cap, reinstall the cover, and you're good to go.